Hello, my name is Ricardo Davis III, and I'm a baking and pastry student at Hack, and I'm about to share you my experience at Hack. What I love about my program is because I make variety of things like bread, pizza, cookies, cakes, etc. And I love making people happy, which makes me happy. So after I graduate, I will continue on as a pastry chef, own a food truck, and raise a family. My challenges that I have faced before is becoming an adult. I'm 20 currently, and I have realized that I'm about to graduate, and this is my first achievement as an adult. And I can't wait to continue on with my career. Hack changed my life. Without Hack, I wouldn't be the person that I am today. I am self-confident, good learner, and sociable. And I have all of that from Hack, which I appreciate. A job, classes, clubs, everything that they provide. And I'm really am happy that who I am today because of them. Thank you, Hack. I really appreciate what you have done for me. Thank you.